I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: your phone model, OS version, and free space. Do this now. Next, install a modern ad blocker app or set a private DNS like 1 to block ad domains system-wide. Once done, open Settings and turn off personalized ads and ad tracking, revoke microphone, location, or overlay permissions from apps that don't need them. These steps cut the majority of mobile ads fast because they remove targeting and block domains before content loads. You now move into the detailed cleanup. Switch to a privacy-first browser and enable extensions or built-in ad blocking to stop web ads. Then audit installed apps, uninstall bloatware, and limit background data and notifications for any app that serves ads. After that, configure per app network permissions or run a VPN with ad blocking features to filter ad domains across apps. These measures reduce persistent ads and trackers because they cut off ad delivery at multiple layers: browser, app, and network. You finish by clearing caches and restarting the phone to apply changes. Update your OS and apps to keep protections current. If pop-ups or banners persist, boot into safe mode to isolate the offending app, then uninstall or disable it. Make sure to reset DNS or disable the VPN temporarily if pages fail to load, and test sites again. One key troubleshooting tip: if an ad returns after an update, re-audit permissions and per app network access. Most regressions come from app restores or permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.